Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. So here we see someone going from long hair to this gorgeous pixie haircut. So the stylist has added some bangs on the front for this particular pixie cut. Beautiful choppy layers throughout. And there is the final result. She looks absolutely beautiful. And then we see another long to short hair transformation. So in this one, she went from long hair to this beautiful bob haircut. So moving on to the next one, she has long curly hair. And the stylist has straightened her hair and cut it into a bob. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length, straight hair, and she's getting her hair cut into a pixie. Gorgeous, nice design there going on the side, and this is more of a curly pixie undercut. And then we see someone once again get their hair transform into a bob haircut. Wow, absolutely beautiful bob. So if you want to check out even more inspiring hairstyles, be sure to see this video.